Hello, future traveler. Are you ready to embark on an unforgettable journey through the United Kingdom? Whether it's your first time or you're a seasoned explorer, there's always something new and exciting to discover in this beautiful country. Are you excited about your UK adventure? I bet you are. The UK is a land of rich history, vibrant culture, and stunning landscapes. From the iconic landmarks to the hidden gems, every corner of the UK has a story to tell. From the historic castles of Scotland to the bustling streets of London, the UK has something for everyone. Imagine walking through the ancient halls of Edinburgh Castle, or feeling the energy of London as you navigate its busy streets. Each city and town offers a unique experience waiting for you to explore. This guide will give you some essential tips to make your trip safe and enjoyable. Whether you're planning to visit the serene countryside or the lively cities, preparation is key. Knowing what to expect and how to navigate your way around will ensure you have a smooth and memorable trip. Let's get started. First, make sure you have all your travel documents in order. Valid passport, necessary visas, and travel insurance are must-haves. Pack wisely, considering the UK's unpredictable weather. Layers are your best friend. Remember, planning is key to a stress-free trip. Research your destinations, book accommodations in advance, and familiarize yourself with local customs and transportation options. This will save you time and help you avoid any last-minute hassles. The more you know, the smoother your journey will be. Take advantage of travel apps and guides to stay informed about the best places to visit, eat, and stay. Don't hesitate to ask locals for recommendations. They often know the best spots that aren't in the guidebooks. So let's dive into the details and prepare you for an unforgettable UK experience. From the moment you step off the plane to the time you bid farewell, every moment will be filled with adventure and discovery. Get ready to create memories that will last a lifetime. Welcome to your UK adventure. Before you pack your bags, it's crucial to check the current travel advisory for the UK. As of today, August 23, 2024, the UK has no major travel advisories in place. However, it's always wise to stay updated on any potential health concerns or safety recommendations issued by your home country's government. Information changes rapidly, so checking for updates close to your departure date is essential. Remember, your safety and well-being are paramount.
The UK is generally a very safe country to visit. With its rich history, vibrant cities, and picturesque countryside, it's no wonder that millions of tourists flock here every year. From the bustling streets of London to the serene landscapes of the Lake District, there's something for everyone. However, it's always wise to be cautious, just like you would be anywhere else. While the UK is known for its safety, being aware of your surroundings can help you avoid any potential issues. Always keep an eye on your belongings and be mindful of your environment, especially in crowded places. Keep your belongings close to you, especially in crowded areas like tourist attractions and public transport. Pickpocketing can occur in busy areas, so it's best to use anti-theft bags or money belts. When on the tube or buses, keep your bags in front of you and avoid placing valuables in easily accessible pockets. If you're feeling unwell, don't hesitate to seek medical attention. Pharmacies are widely available and can provide over-the-counter remedies for minor ailments. For more serious conditions, visit a local clinic or hospital. The healthcare professionals in the UK are highly trained and can assist you with any medical needs. The UK has an excellent healthcare system. The National Health Service, NHS, provides comprehensive medical care, and many services are free at the point of use. However, as a visitor, you may be required to pay for certain treatments, so it's important to be prepared. However, it's a good idea to have travel insurance that covers medical expenses. Travel insurance can provide peace of mind and financial protection in case of unexpected medical emergencies. Make sure your policy covers the duration of your stay and includes coverage for any activities you plan to do. Remember, it's always better to be safe than sorry. Taking a few simple precautions can ensure that your trip to the UK is enjoyable and stress-free. By staying vigilant and prepared, you can focus on making wonderful memories and experiencing all that this beautiful country has to offer.
The UK has a fantastic public transportation system, making it easy to navigate. Whether you're in bustling cities like London, Manchester, or Edinburgh, or exploring the charming countryside, you'll find a variety of options to suit your travel needs. The public transport network is extensive and well connected, ensuring you can get from point A to point B with minimal hassle. Trains are a comfortable and efficient way to travel between cities. The UK boasts an extensive rail network that connects major cities and towns, making it a popular choice for both locals and tourists. High-speed trains like the Eurostar and the Virgin trains offer quick and convenient travel, while regional trains provide scenic routes through picturesque landscapes. Onboard amenities such as Wi-Fi, dining cars and spacious seating make train travel a pleasant experience. Buses are a budget-friendly option for shorter distances. The iconic red double-decker buses in London are not only a symbol of the city, but also a practical way to get around. In other cities and towns, local bus services are reliable and frequent, making it easy to explore different areas without breaking the bank. Many buses now accept contactless payments, adding to the convenience. If you plan on exploring the countryside, renting a car can be a great option. The freedom to travel at your own pace and visit remote locations that are not easily accessible by public transport is a significant advantage. Car rental agencies are widely available, offering a range of vehicles to suit your needs, from compact cars to larger family vehicles. However, remember that they drive on the left side of the road in the UK. This can be a bit challenging for visitors from countries where right-hand driving is the norm. It's essential to familiarize yourself with this aspect of driving in the UK to ensure a safe and enjoyable journey. Make sure you're comfortable with the rules of the road before getting behind the wheel. The UK has specific driving regulations, and it's crucial to understand them to avoid any issues. Consider taking a few moments to read the UK Highway Code, or even taking a short driving lesson if you're unsure. Being well prepared will help you navigate the roads confidently and make the most of your trip.
5. Do you need a visa? Depending on your nationality, you may need a visa to enter the UK. It's essential to check the visa requirements well in advance of your trip. You can apply for a visa online or through your nearest UK embassy or consulate. Make sure you have all the necessary documents and allow sufficient processing time. Remember, applying early is always recommended.
6. Passing through customs. When you arrive in the UK, you'll need to go through customs. Make sure you have all your travel documents ready, including your passport and any necessary visas. Be aware of the items you're not allowed to bring into the UK, such as certain foods and plants. If you're unsure about something, declare it to customs officials. Honesty is always the best policy.
7. The cost of travel in the UK can vary depending on your travel style and preferences. Accommodation can range from budget-friendly hostels to luxurious hotels. Food and drink can be relatively expensive, especially in London. However, there are plenty of affordable options available, such as street food and local pubs. Consider purchasing a travel card if you plan on using public transport frequently, as this can save you money.
The UK is known for its unpredictable weather. Be prepared for rain or shine, no matter what time of year you visit. Pack layers of clothing that you can easily add or remove as needed. Don't forget to pack a waterproof jacket and comfortable shoes. If you're traveling during the winter months, be sure to bring warm clothing, including a hat, gloves and scarf. In case of an emergency, dial 999 to reach the police, fire department or ambulance services. It's also a good idea to keep the contact information for your country's embassy or consulate handy. They can provide assistance if you lose your passport, require medical attention or face any other difficulties during your trip. Remember, your safety is paramount. There you have it. You're now armed with the essential tips for a fantastic UK adventure. Remember to plan, stay informed, and embrace the unexpected. Most importantly, relax and enjoy the journey. The UK has something special in store for every traveller. Have a wonderful time exploring this incredible country. Want more travel tips and advice for your upcoming adventures? Subscribe to our newsletter for the latest updates, exclusive deals, and inspiring travel stories. Don't miss out. Sign up today.